Statement is that if we have pointwise convergence, then this implies that this does not preserve continuity. That means that uniform convergence preserve continuity while the pointwise convergence does not preserve continuity. If we have functions of continuous, then the after convergence of pointwise, this does not converge to continuous limit, right? This means of this statement. Now let us take an example and know how do we think about this statement. Let us suppose function fn is such that closed interval 0 comma 1 to r is defined by fnx is equals to x to power n, right? If it is x to power n, then it is continuous. How? If we take 0, then it is 0. If we take 1, then it is 1. So closed interval 0 comma 1, this have values and this is continuous function, right? Functions of continuous. So if it is continuous, then how do we they take that pointwise convergence? Taking the pointwise convergence, take the x is in closed 0 comma 1, right? So x to the power n, which is converging to 0 as n tending to infinity, right? It is true. While if x equals to 1, then it x to power n which converges to 1 as n tending to infinity. So this implies that this is the pointwise convergence, right? So fn converges to f pointwise, where the limit of fx is 0 when if x is in between close 0 to 1, and if x equals to 1, then it is limit of fx is equals to 1. Although each fn is continuous on closed interval, as we discussed earlier, their pointwise limit f is not continuous because it is discontinuous as 1, right? It is discontinuous at 1, so the pointwise convergence does not preserve continuity.